is a brand that we know and love. And these boots have sold more than 66,000 pairs here at QVC. Can you believe it? They are called the Caroline Orchid, and it's a leather ruched boot from the Clarks collection. The retail value on these is actually $120, but you can pick them up for $61.99 on a clearance sale price, which brings your easy pay to $20.66. They are available in sizes 5 through 12, medium and wide widths, whole and half sizes. So I'm just going to show you the colors. Starting here, we have the black. So as you can see, it's just a really easy, effortless style. We have 350 in the black. Then this is the navy. We have 140 in the navy. And then this is the dark brown. We have 315 in the dark brown. Now, if you're a tan in 5 medium, it's your lucky day. Because we have less than a handful to go around. Joining us from Clarks is Liana Matera. Hi, Liana. It's so good to see you.
Hello, you too, Sam. This is such a great boot. I can't believe we're only left with a few colors because we started off with 7 colors.
Wow.
So that is how super popular this has been. We name all of our shoes from the outsole up. So this is the Caroline, which gives you this ribbed and tread right here on that outsole. It's a little bit over an inch, but we also fleck it here. This is rice husk fleck that we put inside the outsole. It just gives it more dimension, gives it more of a natural feel. Then the upper is this beautiful, super soft leather. It is ruched on the upper. I mean, if you don't have quality leather, you cannot get that amazing ruching, which is kind of like a pleating. On the inside, you're getting the zipper entry, so easy on and off. We back all of our zippers, so no rubbing or pinching. Inside is also all lined, Sam, with that microfiber suede lining, so super soft. You see on the opposite side where your fingers are, you're getting a gusset of gore. So you do also get that flexibility on the other side with a little bit of hardware detail and stud. But the stitching is all that handcrafted look that Clarks is known for, that heritage look. And then inside, what you're feeling is that amazing underfoot cushioning of the ultimate comfort footbed. So that is giving you targeted cushioning where you need it most. So right underneath your heel, right at your arch, and underneath the ball of your foot. We're also giving you perforation, so it's going to keep it breathable and keep it really super comfortable from heel to toe. So a great everyday ankle boot.
Yeah, it does feel like one of those boots that you could just pair with everything from like your leggings, jeans, even a floaty skirt you could pair with this. So it feels like it's the boot that, you know, if you're traveling, that this could be your day to night sightseeing, dinner out boot.
Absolutely. I mean, you know what? We need this type of boot still. I mean, especially here in the Northeast, we need a boot like this that's going to be comfortable. That's, you know, it's like a dress casual look. So very versatile, wearing it with your jeans, like you said, even maybe a boot cut jean, because the toe shape and the ruching is so beautiful. Then you have that great grip and traction. You're showing that easy on, easy off zipper. Inside, you're getting all that amazing underfoot cushioning and just all the colors. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I mean, if you maybe have a brown, why not try, like if you're a denim girl like me, this navy is such a great color too. But all the colors are great. And again, like I said, we started off with 7 colors, and now this is what we have left.
I know. It's amazing that we have, that it's gone for, I mean, 66,000 pairs sold here at QVC.
Yes.
So this is the black. If you're looking for the black, this is where you're starting. This is the color Liana was mentioning, and she's the one she's been showing us, which is this gorgeous navy. So something completely different, but so denim friendly. And then this is the dark brown, that rich chocolate. We also have the tan, but we are super limited in that tan. So sizes 5 through 12, medium and wide width, whole and half sizes. The comparable retail value on this is $120, but right now you can get them on a clearance sale price of $61.99, and that's not even what you need to pay today. Today, your easy pay to get these home is $20 and change. So, I mean, you could be wearing these in a week or so, and this feels like a great boot for right now, Liana, because it's kind of the end of winter, but also most of us are getting tired of wearing snow boots and stuff that doesn't look cute.
That's right. It's not that clunky snow boot. It's going to be that dress casual boot. Again, if you're wearing with jeans or you're wearing with an opaque tight and a dress, it's going to be comfortable. If you're maybe planning that last trip they're going to or going away for the weekend and you need a comfy, cozy boot, this is perfect. And as soon as you get it home, Sam, this is going to feel like your favorite boot. It is true to size. It's comfortable from the moment that you step into it. You're showing that flexibility, that softness of the leather. Everything about it will be that great boot. And this is to wear year after year. This will not go out of style.
Yeah, that's a great call out actually, because it's a fashion forward design. It might not be quite like anything else you have in your assortment, but this is a style it's probably going to be one of those styles where you wish you'd picked up on one of the other colors, because it will be your go-to. Take advantage. It's $20 on change on 3 easy pays to get this home. We have it available in that beautiful dark brown. Then we have the navy, and then also the black. And do we have any left in the tan? We do.
No.
We do. Okay, 5 in size medium in that tan. A523275. That's your item number. It is from the Clarks collection. It is their leather ruched boot. 66,000 pairs sold here at QVC. So take advantage of that clearance sale price. Pick it up on the easy pay. All you need to pay today is $20 and change, and you can get